Morning, the very first moment when gentle light slips through the window. You open your eyes, hear the sound of birds, your breath softly shifts. And in that fragile instant, the mind begins to choose a direction for the long day ahead. Have you ever realized that just a few seconds after waking up can shape your entire energy for the day? Most of us reach for the phone, check messages, emails, or scroll through lines of news filled with worry before we even take a deep breath. Just a few small habits, yet enough to make our hearts heavy before the day even begins. But there is another way, gentler, more mindful. Instead of letting the world out there tell you who you are, try beginning the new day by saying something kind to yourself, because the words you quietly speak to yourself each morning will decide how you walk through the rest of your day. In the teachings of the Buddha, there is a very simple yet profound truth that the mind is the root of all actions. Every joy or sorrow in life begins with a small thought within our own mind. If we learn to look back at the mind and speak to it with compassion, each day will become an opportunity for renewal and healing. Today, we will practice together 5 simple yet deeply meaningful messages. 5 small seeds of peace, which, if planted in the morning, will bloom into calm and clarity throughout the day. Before we begin, pause for a single breath. Inhale deeply and feel the life flowing within you. Exhale slowly and smile at the present moment. All good things begin from this very moment. 1. I am grateful for this new day. When your eyes gently open, the world is still quiet. The first light of the day slips through the doorway, softly touching your face. The air is still pure, the breath still slow and deep. It is the purest moment of the day, when you have not yet remembered the tasks to do, not yet reached for the phone, not yet been swept into the rushing stream of life. Pause for a breath and recognize this miracle. You are still breathing, your heart is still beating, life is still continuing within you. An old monk once said that every morning when he opens his eyes, he smiles and whispers, "Thank you for letting me wake up again." That sentence sounds simple, but within that simplicity, we find a deep source of peace. The Buddha once taught that gratitude is not because we have much, but because we know enough. When the heart knows enough, suffering cannot take root. Gratitude is the foundation of serenity, the bridge between body and mind, between ourselves and the world around us. Now, breathe in slowly and silently, say in your heart, "I am grateful for this breath." Breathe out softly and say, "I am grateful for this body." Repeat it 3 times in silence. Feel every cell within you awakened by gratitude. That is how you begin your day with warmth, gentleness, and the fullness of life. 2. I let go of yesterday. After feeling your heart filled with gratitude, let your mind become a little lighter. Every morning is a new beginning, yet often we wake up with our hearts still entangled in what has passed. Old memories, unfinished conversations, regrets from what we did or did not do, all cling to us like the morning dew that still rests upon the leaves. Once the sun rises, the dew will disappear. But if we keep holding on, the dawn within our hearts will never shine brightly. The Buddha once taught that if we keep holding on to the past, how can our hands grasp the present? The past is something that has already closed, yet the human mind has a habit of opening it again and again, like a wound that refuses to heal. The hurts, the anger, the regrets change nothing except taking away the peace of today. Now sit quietly for a few breaths. As you inhale, feel a warm light entering your chest. As you exhale, imagine all sadness and tension slowly dissolving like a soft mist rising into the sky. Each exhale is a release, a step away from what is old. Morning is a new doorway, where the light of life calls you to step forward. Leave yesterday behind, for you do not need to carry the baggage of the past as you begin a new journey of the soul. 3. I am calm and in control of my mind. When you have learned to be grateful and to let go, the mind begins to open into a quieter space. Out there, the world is still moving very fast. People are rushing in the endless cycles of work, plans, and worries. But within you, there can still exist a calm lake, where every ripple is created by your own mind. The Buddha taught that one should train the mind, for the mind leads all actions. If the mind is peaceful, everything we do carries peace. If the mind is troubled, the whole world around us becomes heavy. The mind is like the wind, invisible to the eye, yet always felt through its power. When we are not mindful, the mind can sweep us away like a gust of wind blowing dry leaves, causing us to react with anger, fear, or anxiety. But when we know how to pause and observe, the wind still blows, yet it cannot break the branch that stands firm. Each morning, after waking up, take at least 1 minute to sit quietly in stillness. Place your hand on your chest, breathe deeply, and feel the rhythm of your own heart. In that moment, gently say to yourself, I am calm and in control of my mind. Repeat this affirmation until you feel a wave of peace rising within you. And throughout the day, if there comes a time when you feel out of control, remember that moment of stillness. Instead of reacting out of habit, you can respond with awareness. For when your mind stands firm, no storm can ever bring you down. 4. I will respond with kindness. When your mind has become peaceful, the most natural thing that follows is the desire to share that peace with others. Kindness is not only the actions you take, but the energy you carry with you each time you step out into the world. A person may say nothing, yet the warmth and gentleness in their eyes are enough to bring peace to others. The Buddha taught that hatred does not end by hatred, but only by love. This is not merely a moral lesson, but a profound law of consciousness. When we choose to respond with love instead of anger, we not only soothe another person's heart, but also heal our own. Kindness sometimes begins with something very small. A smile to a stranger on the street, a gentle word to a tired co-worker, or a warm embrace for a loved one. These small acts may seem simple, yet their power to spread is immense, like the light of a candle that can ignite thousands of others without ever diminishing its own flame. Imagine that every morning you are planting a seed of kindness into the soil of today. That seed will sprout in your words, your eyes, and every action you share. One small act can change the energy of the entire day, making the world around you softer and brighter through your loving presence. Everything is temporary. I will enjoy this moment. After learning how to be grateful, to let go, to stay in control, and to live with kindness, the final thing we must remember in order to truly find peace is impermanence. Everything in this life is always changing. Nothing lasts forever. Dawn will give way to dusk. The blossom that blooms today will wither tomorrow. The laughter that fills the air will eventually fade into silence. This is not something to be sad about, but rather the natural essence of life. The Buddha called this impermanence, the ever-changing nature of all things. Every joy will pass, and every sorrow too. When we understand this, our hearts become lighter because we no longer try to hold on to anything. The only thing that truly belongs to us is this moment, right now. Perhaps today you are going through a difficult day, but remember that tomorrow everything will be different. Like the sky after the rain, the heavy clouds will eventually dissolve and let the light shine once again. When we stop resisting change and begin to embrace it, we find freedom in every second of our lives. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath, and softly say within, I am alive. Exhale slowly and smile. I am grateful. Feel each breath moving through your body, each small sound around you, and the warmth that still lingers in your heart. When we realize that everything is temporary, we finally learn to enjoy every moment completely. Each moment becomes a gift, and peace is no longer something distant, but something that lives within this very present moment. The 5 messages you have just practiced are 5 seeds of peace. When planted each morning, they will quietly sprout within your heart, helping each day become lighter and clearer. Gratitude nurtures joy. Letting go brings freedom. Calmness creates strength. Kindness opens connection. And realizing impermanence helps us live fully in every breath. I invite you to practice these affirmations for the next 7 days. Each morning, take a few minutes to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and repeat these sentences in your mind. Observe what begins to change within you. It may be a deeper sleep, a lighter mind, or simply a peaceful smile in the middle of the day. If you feel that these practices bring goodness into your life, share your reflections so that this message of peace can spread to other hearts as well. Now, take a deep breath and feel the gentle light within you. The new day is smiling. May your day be filled with stillness and gratitude. Breathe deeply, smile, and speak kind words to yourself.